I think the ruling government is what's best for our island.
Best for the country? With so much promises? And them don't deliver upon their promises?
Can you state some of the promises that they didn't deliver on?
Well, look here. Me no know much about politics, so I not say nothing.
Maybe you should do some research so you can make a more informed decision as to who you prefer and who you don't.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. Excuse me. Hey you. I'm with someone now. I'll call you back later in 20 minutes. Yeah, you can send the card. Okay. Bye. I love you too. I'm sorry. Where were we?
Me doing more research about politics. Can I ask you a question? Have you ever voted?
Yeah, let's stop the politics talk and focus on what's happening with you.
That makes sense. Can I get a number for you? Cause I have another appointment to get to soon.
Yeah, sure. Here's my number. Feel free to call. Just not after 10 p.m. You can message though, and I'll call you in the morning.
Perfect. Thanks, Vanessa.
It was my pleasure.
We'll be in touch. Bye. Yeah, Bubbles, I have my first report for you. Yes, we can meet tomorrow. Bye.
David, Angie has not gotten back to me about the status of the Carlton and Celine situation, and the minister is gathering evidence to move on the agency soon. Look, I don't know where he's getting his information, but I've been informed that he's in possession of a list of sleepers and nightmares. As scary as it may sound, you have to start considering the possibility that there's a mole in the organization. His plan is not to shut down the agency, it's to take you and your agents out and use the blueprint to run his own private agency. And that will mean replacing me as head of the board. Whatever the plan is, we have to act fast. Time is running out.
Don't worry, Cynthia. Help is on the way.